Sani Bonani Nijani, hope you guys are okay. Welcome back to KZN Podcast, where we give you the news. So today we're speaking about one Dindlovu, the ready to star, Opinda Deso ngomzimba. Owaziwayo kakhulu eGoli kodwa futhi osehambile ohlala eNigeria. Kuke kwaduma nje kuthiwa Wandi has been taken in Nigeria. She can't come back, but recently she came back after a couple of years. She's based in Nigeria and she even changed her body. But today there were breaking news. Wandi was arrested with her cousins for allegedly unaliving umalumwabe, her uncle uLinda. Kuthiwa ke ubeseboshiwe ke namhlanje iboshiwe lapha kuthiwa uboshiwe ke lapha eGoli ngokuthi ke umalume wakhe usethe wathi wamdlulisa emhlabeni. Ake sizwe ke le voice note umphakathi ubuza ukuthi kwenze njani.
Kube lokukhilisana nje in such a way ukuthi kuze kwavela ke indaba yokufa. Kodwa nje indaba le between uThembani kanye noLinda. But ke more details sizonika ezesikhathi siya. Kodwa nje kube njalo in such a way.
Ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyafuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. uLinda ubuyile emsebenzini. Makabuya wangitshela uThembani ukuthi ungithengele i-cold drink. Ngihlale nginganayo ngisebenzisa ifoni yami. And then bese ngiyabuya ngene ekitchen ngibona ijengo ayikho. So ngizoqala la ukuthini angithi vele niyazi ukuthi la ekhaya bayenza njani. Bakhona abanolwazi ukuthi mina ngihlali ngifika makuna something ekhona. Makunento ekhona ngibese ngiyasuka le eNatali ngize la. Izolo kunomntwana obezokwenza uWandile i-makeup. Ngile bekhuluma ngathi uyahamba namhlanje ulala out angazi ukuthi awuthi kanjani ngoba bese ngokuthi kushawo level ukuthi awutheli njani lelo. Ngizothi umama kaWeta uyangivusa uthi sesilolama ngicela ukuthi uhambe uyokhuzwa uLinda ukuthi akahlisele umsindo. Ngihambe ngiye nekamereni Linda athi sisi wami kulanthi ngiyaphila ngithi ngicela uhlisele umsindo. Ngisho nje phansi. Ithi mina ngiyacela bandihlisele umsindo athi la hayi okay ngiyakuzwa sisi wami. Isuhlale phansi ke sikhulume ngale lesipromise eningalo. Ngithi mina why ufuna ukuthi sikhulume manje because wena awufikanga mabuye emsebenzini ukhulume nami. So ithi ngihambe ngiyokulala. Ngithule because mina ngiwumuntu onamahloni. Lezi zinto zokuqangisana angizijwayelanga. Nakhona ukuthi ngize ngithobe bengafuni ukuthi kube nomsindo because bengibona ukuthi khona omunye umuntu wangaphandle. And then uthobe ulo uThembani aseyavuka ahambe kuyena ke. Ngimone masakabuya esakalimala uLinda sekamshayile lana esekopha. Ngibambe yena uyabona ukuthi usephelelwe amandla. Izingane zibese ziyasuka ziyahamba hawu Linda umshayelana umama. Angizange ngikhone ngendlela engibazi ngayo ukuthi banjani if ufavor umuntu banalokho ngimele ngachokheka ngama. Ngangazi ukuthi kumele ngithini. Mangithi ngiyaphuma igazi seligcwele phansi ngendlela eyisimanga. Angimbonanga ngizwa manje mina ebusuku masilaphana ngabo 3 ukuthi ugwaziwe amanxeba u3. And akabulawanga yilokho uLinda because amanxeba nawa ala into embulalile ukuthi ugodolile uhlale kakhulu ngaphandle sisaba ukuthi simthathe simfake ngaphakathi endlini. So nje yile yonto guys engifuna ukuthi nibe nesithombe sayo. Masebe bembona-ke abantwana ukuthi uma wabo ulimele-ke babuya-ke bazongena le time bengena ekamereni mina angizange ngibesangena ngithe hhayi othi ngizikhiphe ngazikhipha-ke mina ngaleyo ndlela enjalo amaphoyisa sawabiza kaninginingi alokhu ethi bekwenze njani kwathini ngize ngibuza ukuthi mina awu enze njani amaphoyisa lana uma uwafonela buza ukuthi kwenze ubani okhalile kwathini wayengafuni ukuza lana afika amaphoyisa nangu laphayana uyaphefumula and bayabona ukuthi naye usakazoshona basho ukuthi usakazoshona ngithe ngosdina wami because ingidinile into eyenzekile bekumele ukuthi sihambe siye kombambulini ngithi mina ngithi niyenze le nto ambani phela nimfuke nimfake endlini ngaphakathi wangibiza umntakama wathi sisinolama ozosisa ngazomsiza ngabona khona ukuthi hayi vele amathuba asesemancane mina ngizokusho nje angeke ngize ngikunanaza angifuni ukuthi ngilale endleleni izingane zama angizazi ukuthi zinjani angizazi guys angazi angifuni ukuyifika ngifuna ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi.
So one of the siblings, that's exactly what happened. She explains that the uncle was coming from work and he was playing music. Wendy's mom asked the other one to say, hey, please let him tell him to lower the volume, and Malume said no, and then Wendy's mom went, and then obviously then they fought, and then Malume decided to use a golf stick to hit Wanda's mom, and Wanda's mom went back in the house beaten, and Wandi and her younger sister Ntomfuthi went to Malume's house, and nobody knows exactly who stabbed Malume. But today they were called a police station. Looks like they have been released because Wandi has been seen at the end of the day updating his status. So Abantuke now they are blaming the Nigerian boyfriend. They're like, hey, maybe it's insurance, blah 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 blah. We actually do not know what happened exactly. We know what happened. We know that somebody died, and we know that it's Malume, it's Wandi's uncle, but we do not know if it was a purpose or what, or they covered Malume, or whatever the case it is. All we know the fact that Wandi stays in Nigeria right now, and then she just came, to have fun, whatever the case is. She came to build or renovate the house for their mother, and this happened. Anyway, make sure please you press like and you follow us.